Hello, my name is Isabel Wheeler. It is November 15th of 2019. This is week 3 video lab exercise of the cardiovascular system and blood vessels. In this week's video, I will be dissecting a fetal pig as well as labeling and identifying different parts of the pig. Okay, so I've just dissected the fetal pig. Now I will be labeling and identifying the different parts of the fetal pig, starting off with the external jugular vein, which is located right there. The external jugular vein is a superficial vein of the neck that is formed by the union of the retromandibular vein and posterior auricular vein. Next is the internal jugular vein, which is located right there. The internal jugular vein is a paired jugular vein that collects blood from the brain and superficial parts of the face and neck. Then we have the left and right subclavian vein, which is located right here on the left side of the pig and right here on the right side of the pig. So the function of the subclavian vein is to empty blood from the upper extremities and then carry it back to the heart. They connect with several other smaller veins in the body, such as the interior jugular veins. Then there is the Brachiocephalic trunk right here, and this supplies oxygenated blood to the head, neck, and arm regions of the body. Then there is the superior vena cava, which is located right here. The superior vena cava is the superior of two vena cava, the greatest venous trunk that returns deoxygenated blood from the systemic circulation to the right atrium of the heart. So it is large in diameter, it's 24 millimeters, and then short in length, and it receives venous return from the upper half of the body. Then there is the cephalic vein, which is located right there. The cephalic vein is where the blood flows from a variety of smaller veins and it drains into this vein. Okay, so I will be labeling 4 different parts of the fetal pig that I chose. The first one will be the right ear auricle, which is located right here. The auricle's function are to collect sound and transform it into directional and other information. The auricle collects sound and, like a funnel, amplifies the sound and directs it to the auditory canal. Next is the trachea, which is located right here. The trachea is a wide hollow tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi of the lungs. It's the body's airway and has vital functions of providing airflow to and from the lungs for respiration. Then we have the thyroid, which is not very distinct on this pig, so I believe it would be right here. The function of the thyroid gland is to take iodine found in many foods and then convert it to thyroid hormones, such as T4 and T3. Then there is the thymus, which is located right here. The thymus serves a vital role in the training and development of T lymphocytes or T cells.